Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Times Hockey. Today we got ourselves a double feature. We've got ourselves on the left Championship Collection box, one autograph and one relic promised, with 4 factory sealed packs. On the right we've got Rookie Mystery Box, 4 factory sealed packs as well. We are promised 1 rookie card. So as you can see in the front, we can get some little fabric cards, stick pieces, young guns. So we're going to get something fun, but is the quality going to be there? That's what we're about to find out. Let's go pack of score. 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 2. 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 1. 2016-17 Parkhurst. Oh, this is peculiar. Signed card? What's that signature? Howie Meeker. Interesting. And their jersey is Dern Parent. It's nice they got us a little sleeve here. This little patch. I like a jersey. Numbered out of 1,599. Let's go with the packs. Parkhurst. These cards are always so sticky. Jordan Martincook. Brandon Saad. Ryan McDonough. Connor Murphy. Parkhurst Protectors of the Net. Corey Schneider. It's pretty sweet. Here we go. Blake Wheeler. Wayne Simmons. Cam Atkinson. Lars Eller. And Dylan Strome. I got a pretty cool signature of Dylan Strome in one of my Canada Juniors unboxing. You should check it out. Score. Brad Richards. Kyle Turris. Ovechkin. Dmitry Kulikov. Sheldon Surrey. Justin Falk. Team Future, Carolina Hurricanes. And Corey Perry Gold. Oh. Series 1. Hoping for Young Guns. Jordan Stahl. Very cool card. Ryan Johansson. Mitch Marner. Another very cool card. UD Canvas. Braden Holtby. With the Stanley Cup. Very cool card. Brady Skey. Brandon Saad. Cam Atkinson. Antti Ranta. 2018-19 Series 2. Drew Doughty, Jack Johnson, William Karlsson, Ryan Sutter, Young Guns, Jérémy Lauzon with the Boston Bruins, Patrick Laine, Charlie Coyle, and Dylan Larkin. Now for this rookie mystery box. (2018-19) Series 1 again. 2009-10 Series 2. 2009 and 10 OPC hockey with Wayne on the pack. Well, here's our young gun, Derek Brassard. Not bad considering. Seriously. This nice little one touch as well. Derek Brassard, Young Guns. 2008 and 9. Not bad. And another 2018-19 Series 2. Let's start with this one. Tyson Jost, Jason Zucker, Brad Marchand, Marquee Rookie OPC Update, Christian Vassilainen, Brad Richardson, Thomas Tatar, love that picture, Brandon McNabb, Chris Kreider, Series 1. Justin Schultz, Eric Hula, Mikko Koivu, Stonewald, Greg Anderson, very cool. Jacob Markstrom, Dustin Byfuglien, look at him having a good time. Chris Letang, Marc-Andre Fleury, what a cool pick. Marc-Andre Fleury. (2009-10) OPC. Ooh, I like this look. Nicholas Backstrom, Boris Valabik, Slava Kozlov, Philip Boucher, Keith Yandel, Andy Hilbert, all right. Our last pack, Series 2, 2009-10. Let's do this. Ray Whitney, Jochen Hecht, Andy McDonald, Dmitry Kulikov, Victory Rookie, Mika Kiprasov, got Hannon, Andy Green, and Andrew Ferens. I'm really happy with this Derek Brassard card. I haven't taken a look at the corners or anything, but it looks very nice. Very cool card. Braden Holby, UD Canvas. It's a nice little material card. This is the one that really, I just don't know what to say. I'll have to look him up, Howie Meeker. So thanks for passing by. I truly appreciate it. If you like what you see, you know what to do. So hopefully we get to see you back here next time for some more good times hockey.